Hi, everyone. So many of you travelled to Hong Kong for this event, and I want you to think about arriving into your hotel from the airport and going directly into your hotel room. No check-in, no waiting in a front counter queue. What a seamless experience. And we also like how when we get inside our Uber cars, the driver knows exactly where we're going. And we walk out of that car and the payment gets processed as an afterthought and we don't need to worry about it. We don't need to say a word throughout the whole thing if we don't feel like it. So in certain situations, seamless recognition makes an experience amazing for a customer. Pulse is an identity platform that creates those types of experiences for bank customers with bank-grade security. Today, I'm going to introduce to you Concierge. Concierge is a virtual assistant that lives inside any mobile banking app. For customers, Concierge offers seamless recognition when they step inside certain locations. And for sales assistants, Concierge offers real-time alerts that identify customers, important customers, as they walk inside their stores, so they can go in and service them and provide a superb experience. Now, why am I at a fintech conference talking about this? Well, customers trust banks with their identity. So Pulse partners with banks to unlock a new generation of store experiences using seamless recognition technology. So just like Siri on your iPhone, Concierge is a virtual assistant that gets switched on within the mobile banking app. So you'll see it here on the right-hand side. You can check that the interface can be fully blended and customized to the mobile banking interface. It gets integrated via a simple SDK, secure SDK. It takes about 2 days of engineering time to stitch it all together. And a customer, when they get the updated app on their phone, can switch on Concierge just by toggling that. Seamless. Our technology is already operating across tens of millions of smartphones. Importantly, customers can control the locations where their identity gets shared. So they can choose to share their identity and get a concierge experience across all available stores, or they can drill down and select the types of merchants they want, or in fact, bank branches. Recently, we've introduced an artificial intelligence module called Wishlist. Wishlist takes the next step of friction out of the store experience. It allows you to input what you're looking for and what you're shopping for actively, so you don't need to repeat 10 times the type of pair of shoes you want when you go out shopping. You enter it once. The artificial intelligence algorithms recognise product names, brands, even product attributes like your shoe size, or a price range that you're looking for. Now, for merchants, the Concierge platform, they get access to that in one of 2 ways. They can download the Merchant Pulse app, or they can get the real-time alerts about important customers directly through their point-of-sale terminal and any MPOS devices that banks are already deploying. When sales staff turn up to work, they check in, similar like Uber drivers. When they want to work and they just check in. Now, when they check in, they subscribe to a data feed that is tailored to that very store about important customer profiles that are monitored. And when a customer matching one of those profiles that they're subscribed to enters the store, in real time, they get an alert or a notification. So here's Shally. She works for a sports retailer. And she's been given an alert that a customer that just stepped in is a return shopper. And this customer's already been inside this store 5 times this month. So this is the customer that really needs some help. So Shelley is able to go in and spark a quality conversation and give that customer that extra care. Now, Shelley can actually drill down into that customer profile. Shelley can be guided through the sales process with a set of suggested actions. So in effect, what we're doing is taking personalised customer service, humanising it, and turning it into an effortless, measurable, and repeatable process in any setting, whether it's a bank branch or any type of merchant location. Now, this service is fully funded by merchants. So merchants pay a monthly cost based on the number of sales assistants that subscribe to the concierge feed. That revenue is very easy to that cost is very easy to justify because the concierge platform can actually track and measure the revenue uplift that we provide inside that merchant store due to the technology. Now, the revenue from the merchants is shared between Pulse and the bank. So for a bank, we not only unlock an amazing dimension of experiences for their customers, but we are also helping the bank create a very large revenue stream out of their existing merchant relationships by packaging up data services within your existing POS or payment business. I have to say that Concierge is one of several modules that are deployed inside mobile banking apps as part of our SDK. I'm not going to talk about the rest. Please come and see me. We've got deployments in motion in Indonesia, in Hong Kong, in Australia, in Thailand. We'd love to work with more banks, and I'm going to be waiting at my booth. Straight after this, we've got a break, and thank you for your attention. I'm Alex, and let's reimagine store commerce.